Today, I am entering the salon of someone who is the pioneer of celebrity styling in Pakistan, Tariq Amin. What did you want to be known as when you started out?
There were no credits given at the time we started out. Nobody ever. I was the first person to get a credit in a magazine in Pakistan. Yes.
What is happening with hair these days? I mean, there's all sorts happening.
You know, hair is something that's individual. एक इन बालों की चीज खूबसूरती यही होती है कि आप एक लुक करें जो आपके लिए होती है. I really think you have always shined on the red carpet. I think you're my favorite celebrity female on the red carpet. You know, जो भी मैंने ये roles किए हैं, everybody thinks कि मैं बहुत एक सख्त इंसान हूँ. You know, मैं बहुत डरावना इंसान हूँ. And it doesn't feel like it's pulled down.
कितने अच्छे लगे. Hello and welcome to Speakeasy. मैं हूँ Aisha Umar and you're watching 365 News. Today, I am entering the salon of someone who is the pioneer of celebrity styling in Pakistan. He's not just a hairstylist. He's not a beautician. He's an image maker. इतने सारे बड़े नामों का image उन्होंने create किया, उनके image को reinvent किया, उनको makeovers दिए. People like Ali Azmat, people like Ali Zafar, people like Abbas Ali Khan. They're all musicians actually. He hosted the first ever fashion week in Islamabad. He's worked with so many international brands and he's been in the business for more than 40 years. I'm talking about Tariq Amin. And right now I'm entering his Karachi salon, जो है अवारी में. Let's go. Hello.
Hello. How are you? Nice to see you. Welcome.
Thank you. It's so good to be here.
So good to see you.
I'm coming here after so many years, Tariq, and I'm so happy to see that you're still here in the same spot in Avari.
Yes, very much so.
Wow.
It's been 20 years.
It's been 20 years in this spot.
Yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Amazing.
Welcome.
Thank you.
Grab a seat.
And we are seated with the king of fashion and celebrity styling. Did you ever call yourself a celebrity stylist,
No.
Tariq?
No.
What did you want to be known as when you started out?
There were no credits given at the time we started out. Nobody ever. I was the first person to get a credit in a magazine in Pakistan. No. Yes, very much so.
So what was written?
Hair, makeup, and styling by Tariq Amin.
Okay, but there was no defining.
Nobody ever got a byline in any magazine. And the first magazine that gave me a byline was actually a cover I did with for She magazine with I think Marina. Marina was on that cover, and it was an Eid cover. And I said that you don't have to pay me, but you have to put my name.
And did they argue with that?
No, it was just never done before. So it was yet another first that I had achieved.
Wow. Thank you.
1983, yeah, you're very welcome.
Thank you for paving the way for everyone else to demand that.
Well, I mean, yes, credits were, it was a big thing because after, I mean, you know, at that time there were no fashion magazines. So we introduced fashion pages in the Herald, and that was the first. Then Newsline came up, and then that had used to have fashion pages. There was no, in the first fashion magazine that came around, I mean, She was there, Women's Zone was there, but those were not really per se fashion magazines. No. The first fashion magazine that came out was Visage. Or any magazine that came out till Extra, I mean, that was like, let's say, the first 10 years of my career. Whenever there was a new magazine, I did the first cover. So that was always another first. So उस वक्त किसी को byline नहीं मिलती थी. So, you know, a big thing to see your name in print. बड़ा मजा आता था. Everybody used to say, oh, you know, there you are. आपका नाम magazine में आया. आपका, you know. So it became something that वो हमेशा, you know, चाहते हैं कि you see your name up in lights या print पे आप अपना नाम पढ़ें. So it was a.
And how was that feeling when you saw it for the first time?
बड़ा मजा आया था, of course.
What did other people say to you?
I don't think anybody took it too seriously. They were like, जैसे होता है, उसमें टाइम लगता है. हमारी सोसाइटी जरा
Accept करने में.
नहीं, हाँ, एक्सेप्ट करने
और
में.
register करने में.
I mean, 1983 में मेरे जैसा कोई बंदा ही नहीं था इस टाउन में. So
even
मेरे बाल
that,
भी होते थे.
when you started out, Tariq, I don't think there was any man. No, there were
There were
men.
lots of men.
Of course there were.
मगर I think I was the first जिन्होंने इस इंडस्ट्री में कोई इम्पैक्ट डाला था. I mean, I think that was a big thing because I came from like a privileged background, educated background.
Tell me a little bit about your childhood.
Grew up in Islamabad, American school.
और क्या पढ़ा स्कूल में?
Geometry, physics, chemistry,
No,
biology, everything.
Sorry,
College
when you,
में.
Yeah, later on.
Later
what did
on,
you like specialize
business.
Business.
In 1980s, nobody went for. सब बच्चे से या तो बिजनेस के लिए जाते थे या तो इंजीनियर बनने के लिए जाते थे या डॉक्टर बनने के लिए जाते थे. That was the only. I mean, my parents, उनको कोई अंदाजा नहीं था कि मैं हेयर ड्रेसर बनना चाहता हूँ या मेकअप आर्टिस्ट बनना चाहता हूँ. तो ये तो मैंने अपने लिए किया था.
And when you told them कि हाँ मैं ये करना चाहता हूँ तो उनका पहला रिएक्शन क्या था?
हॉबी है, सुधर जाएगा, भूल जाएगा.
The usual. That's what I wanted to know. कि आपके साथ भी यही हुआ था?
बिल्कुल, सबके साथ यही होता है उस जमाने में स्पेशली. आजकल तो अब तो इट्स वेरी इजी. लोग कहते हैं यू कैन बिकम तारिक अमीन. सो दैट्स आल्सो उसमें भी एक
now you are the defining term कि मुझे तारिक अमीन बनना है.
No, because उस जमाने में वो कभी सोच नहीं पा सकते थे कि आप अपनी you can sustain your life from this industry.
From this industry.
Fashion was not for Pathan boy.
And when was the time जब उन्होंने recognize किया इस बात को कि अच्छा you can sustain your life? आपके पेरेंट्स ने?
जब मेरा नाम वोग मैगजीन में आया था और मैंने उस वक्त बेनज़ीर का मेकअप किया था, and that gave me a international recognition, and that was it was a big stepping stone for my career.
That was huge. Tell us a bit about that.
It was a very long time ago, and it was an honor and a privilege to do her for her wedding.
वो आपको जानती थी पहले से?
मेरी फैमिली को भी जानती थी. हमारे my sister was in school. वो भी कॉन्वेंट में होती थी. My sister was also there. So no, she went all over. उन्होंने सब मेकअप उस जमाने में जो भी मेकअप आर्टिस्ट थे उनके साथ उन्होंने ट्रायल मेकअप किया था. मेरे साथ भी उन्होंने ट्रायल मेकअप किया था. और उनमें सब में से फिर उन्होंने मुझे चुना. So that was a big thing जो मेरी करियर का एक डिफाइनिंग मोमेंट कह सकती हैं आपके. वो it was a time where after that there was no looking back. Then it was my son, the artist.
Wow. So when you were doing her, I just want to go back to that time. Did she tell you कि मुझे इस टाइप की लुक चाहिए या आपने उनको बताया?
नहीं, I think because of जो उन्होंने पहना था लिबास, उनकी jewelry, the kind of function it was, it had to be pretty traditional. It didn't have to be. And उस जमाने का एक look होता था. It was the 80s. It was a very glamorous era, and if you see her makeup, it was a very glamorized look. I mean, at that time, दो shows होते थे, Dynasty or Dallas, and those were the shows that defined the look for what women wanted to look like in the 80s. So there was a little help from Dynasty and a little help from me and some inspiration from उनका अपना एक inspiration था. So
and after the wedding, what was her response? What did she feel like? What did she tell you?
She was very generous with her compliments and always met me very nicely. And every time I meet people from the family, I'm always
like family.
Meet them very nicely.
Wow.
आजकल की brides मैं देखता हूँ वो they are so made up that they look like a groom की माँ उनके साथ बैठी हुई है. But the girls look अपने आप से 10 साल बड़ी लगती हैं. जब आप ज़्यादा मेकअप और layers और caked up और एक dry texture और एक oily texture और एक cream texture और एक water texture, it's like
wow, yes.
Astaghfirullah, how many layers of makeup do this Instagram? You don't need that. That is good for an 18-year-old emaciated fashion victim अगर आप वो हैं आप जरूर फॉलो ट्रेंड करें.
So, are you forced to sometimes?
No, nobody can force me.
Okay.
Nobody can
I
force
know they
me.
can't, but do people come and say?
You know, people come to me who want to be them, जो अपने आप को एक्सेप्ट करते हैं कि मैं चिट्टी गोरी नहीं हूँ, मैं सांवली हूँ और मुझे ग्रे नहीं दिख रहे, मैं तारे के पास जा रही हूँ. So I would rather have that person जो मेरे वर्क को जिसमें मेरी कोई वैल्यू रखता है मेरे काम की.
Aligns with your
my thought process. मैं चिट्टी को चिट्टी बनाऊंगा और सांवली लड़की को एक शेड फेयर बनाऊंगा, मगर उसके ऊपर आइवरी फाउंडेशन नहीं लगाऊंगा. It's against my
ethics.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, I want to talk about hair. What is happening with hair these days? I mean, there's all sorts happening.
You know, hair is something that's individual. एक बालों की चीज खूबसूरती यही होती है कि आप एक लुक करें जो आपके लिए होती है. A lot of girls आजकल come in with, you know, they have dark hair and they see these pictures of balayage on Instagram and they want this ash blonde color, and it can't happen without you ruining your hair.
Bleaching.
It's
completely,
no, bleaching, you know, it's just yellow and orange hair to me is not very attractive, especially with the kind of clothes we wear. The you know, the desi outfits have such a strong palette. हमारे colors जो हम शादियों पे पहनते हैं, और you know, emerald green, bright colors, pinks, you know, oranges, उसके साथ फिर ये two-tone, you know, it just doesn't. I'm like I said, I'm a naturalist. मुझे सब कुछ, I love color and I love everything.
Okay, so people pleaser जो term है, now I don't want to go in too deep into this debate, but people pleaser is
I get the most difficult people. जो भी मेरे
You're
पास आते हैं,
diplomatic.
I'm a super diplomat.
Yeah. Like people pleasing for me is like trying to get someone's approval. Like I'm a people pleaser and I'm actively trying to change that.
People pleaser in the sense कि वो जो आप, you have to communicate with your client and you have to see what idea they have.
You make them happy.
And you make them happy.
You make them happy.
You make them happy.
Yeah.
And
everyone goes away happy.
Yes.
That I know.
So I mean, that's a blessing. Touch wood.
Mashallah.
No wood around here, but touch wood. So you know, that's something that's what makes me come to work every day. इसलिए जब से मुझे I love what I do. मुझे शौक इसीलिए कि मैं लोगों को खुश देखूं. I spend enough time in front of a mirror. I'm not there to please myself. I'm there looking at you. And then you don't look good, I don't look good.
Yeah.
So if somebody says, you know, मैं तारिक के पास गई, and if somebody goes cringe, I don't want that to happen. Because everybody will say, you know, usually everybody says, wow, that looks fabulous.
Absolutely. Actually, we have to go on a little break, but I would love for you to do something to my hair.
We are going to do something to your hair.
Amazing. I'm so excited. Although थोड़ी restrictions हैं हमारी.
हमेशा restrictions होती हैं. सब लड़कियां जो especially who are doing ads and like yourself, you're a superstar, Aisha.
No,
you need to stick to your continuity. You need to stick to. I know all the rules. Don't worry. आपकी ड्रामे की शूटिंग हो रही है, बहुत छोटे भी नहीं करने, बहुत डार्क भी ना हो, बहुत लाइट भी ना हो, और सब कुछ वाव हो.
हाँ, मतलब कि
और चेंज कर दो मुझे बस, तारिक प्लीज चेंज कर दो.
Okay, so this is a constant thing.
Constant.
Restrictions भी है, लेकिन फिर भी change करना.
इतने से बस काटना और just change me, and I'm like, sure, sit. I'm excellent with that.
Oh my God. Okay, great. So
Story of my life.
ठीक है, बस फिर break के बाद यही होगा. We'll continue with this. Come right back. Welcome back from the break, in conversation with Mr. Tariq Amin, and we are now ready for Tariq to tell me what I'm going to do with my hair.
Let's open your hair right now.
Okay, let's open the hair.
What's happening.
Let's open the hair. अच्छा, बहुत बुरा हाल है Tariq.
When was your last? कब आपने last trim किया, cut किया, color किया?
Last trim काफी time हो गया है. मुझे लगता है कि 4 महीने तो हो गए हैं.
Okay.
Oops, I know that's terrible.
No, I mean, when you have long hair, you know, you don't have to worry about.
I'm okay. Color-wise, I think I'm open to whatever you suggest for my skin tone and knowing कि क्या क्या हो रहा होता है. What, you know, there's a film shoot एक महीने बाद I'm starting a film inshallah. Then there's this talk show. फिर बुलबुले भी चल रहा है उसमें I play खूबसूरत's character. But I can do whatever in that. उसमें कोई continuity नहीं.
No, nothing drastic. We are going to keep the length. I like the length. We'll put a fresh face frame around your face.
Great.
थोड़े से layers कि आपकी जरा volume आ जाए on top. आपके पास बालों में थोड़ी सी breakage हो रही है because of the heat styling as well. So I wouldn't say let's put more highlights or anything. Let's just refresh the root color and give you a run through so that ये जो आपका existing color है, it just refreshes.
Okay, let's go then. Let's go.
Here we go.
शुरू करते हैं.
So we're going to do that for your color, and we're going to just shape it up with a trim.
Done.
Cool.
Let's go.
All set. Let's do this.
Let's do this.
All right. Okay. All set
All
for your
set.
color. Here
All
we go.
set.
We're going to do a root touch up first, and then we're going to emulsify the hair for 10 minutes. And shoot. What are we talking about?
Tariq, how many appointments did you have today?
I've had a relatively easy day today.
Okay.
I've had 3 for 6 appointments today.
That's easy.
Yeah, that's pretty easy. That's a easy day. I had
Oh, sorry.
a busy lunch slot for yet another interview, and that was also.
How long was that?
It took about an hour and a half.
Okay. And what kind of makeup do you do when you're doing white? Light, pearly, pretty?
I think for a wedding you need, like I said, this is more like a theatrical. So you need something that works with the features to enhance the features and to make sure that the bride is, the makeup is not wearing her and she still looks like herself.
Yeah.
That the bride must look like herself. Most brides
And no
end
surprises later for the
Yes.
husband.
Yes, exactly. So
Acha, thank you. I try my best.
I really, really think you have always shined on the red carpet.
Aww.
So that I think you are my favorite celebrity female on the red carpet.
Okay. Acha, I want to speak about some of the videos, music videos, and some of them, actually, all of them are like my all-time favorites that you've conceived and styled and done, like literally, also the art direction for.
I'm a team player. When you're working on a creative project, you require many aspects to it. It's not just one person's
Absolutely.
dictatorship
No,
vision. I
no.
think, for every successful project, आपको हर एक की बात सुननी पड़ती है. जैसे
Let's talk about Kamaj.
one of the best things I've ever been involved in my life.
Right?
Just, one of a kind song, the brilliant voice.
मतलब क्या वो
Shafkat.
video, क्या वो गाना, everything. But so Saqib came to you with the concept?
No, the concept was pretty much
There.
there because of what the song is all about. It was a labor of love. That was nothing like that will ever be made
No.
in
the history
in
of
the history of our film.
Absolutely.
So that was it was a groundbreaking. Because when you're doing something that is a period piece, you can go so wrong. It can look like
a parody of the actual.
Absolutely. One play, एक आपका पिन गलत देखे तो पूरा सीन खराब हो जाता है.
बिल्कुल. तो ये जो attention to detail है.
ये सबकी एफर्ट होती है. मैंने 10 चीजें नोटिस की, साकिब ने 10 चीजें नोटिस की, सबने बोला बॉस ये नहीं काम कर रहे. You have to think in black and white. That was a big challenge. You have to keep in mind the lighting, the wardrobe, the makeup, everything.
Yeah. You styled everybody for that music video?
Yes, ma'am.
Wow. And
There's not that
कितनी
many
टीम
people.
नहीं, बट देखो इतने जो आपके
हम भी जवान थे.
इतने सारे लोग वीडियो में हैं. There's
Shan.
junior artists and there's
No, there was. I mean, my team was there for
Yeah.
for everything. So
Yeah.
you know, there was a certain amount of help, sure,
Yeah.
that everybody that I received for the I was assisted by all the young ones.
The young girls who have now flown out of the nest, like Shazde. And
Like so many.
Like so many.
So many.
Do you miss working with those lot?
Sure.
But it's not like anything.
Of course, people move on.
हाँ,
The things,
सब
So
बिल्कुल.
everybody, there's a time for everything.
There is a time for everything.
What can I get for you while we develop? Some coffee, a cup of tea?
Nothing.
What would you like?
Nothing.
Sure.
Absolutely. Acha. So Khamaj, and then there was Channo.
Channo is like an anthem. It's like I can still hear it. The tune is so catchy.
So catchy.
It's a timeless classic.
And that was Ali's first music video?
Yes.
Acha. So Ali came to you and said, "Ke I want you to style me."
I heard the song. Ali made me hear the song, and I just went bonkers over it.
Wow.
Because it just was so catchy.
Huh.
And it just, one thing led to another, and the
And
next
then
thing
it
we
was
were
like a
making the video.
blast. It just took over.
No, we did Rangeen after that. I did Chal Dil Mere with him. So there was a lot of videos that I was there.
But Channo was the first one, nah?
Channo was, there'll never be another Channo. So, there'll never be another Mr. Fraudier.
Ali and you have a very similar way of talking. Have you ever been told that? Ek hai.
He's my son's godfather. So you can
And
figure out.
one of your dearest friends.
Yes.
So, kuch hai.
He's my
vibe
rock
mein.
star.
I know. And who was your favorite out of all of these musicians, if you had to pick one?
I love all of them.
No,
Mashallah,
pick one.
they're all so talented, and their talent is what made them. I just happened to,
Be a part of the journey.
yeah, exactly, and that's what I enjoy the most, just being part of the journey. But the amount of satisfaction you get, वो इतना मजा आता है, उसी में तो मजा है कि जब आपको जब वो एक feeling होती है कि you've done something and just been, then you're not needed anymore. फिर वो
सिलसिला खुद चलता है.
हाँ.
हाँ. You've contributed and then you've paved that, and then it goes on.
Yeah, that's what I
love
enjoy.
that.
That's what I enjoy, and I keep trying to do it. Whenever I see the talent, I always acknowledge it. वो भी बहुत
You
ज़रूरी
do.
है.
In fact, I even on Instagram, on social media, Tariq, you're very generous with your compliments. मैं देखती हूँ आपने comment किया होता है. You're always giving people love. I love that. I noticed that.
So there's a lot of me to give.
Yeah.
There's a lot of me to give.
But people are
So
stingy.
I'm a very giving person, but I'm also ruthless.
Yeah. That makes it all the more authentic
Because,
when you give a compliment.
Yes. So I mean, if it's bad, I'll let you know.
तो इसीलिए
Thank you,
तो
beta.
we trust you with what you're saying कि अगर तारिक ये बोल रहे हैं तो he means it.
No, but because I think you need to be honest with your work, with
Yeah.
your आप अपनी जिंदगी में बस यही चाहते हैं ना कि आप जो कुछ करें सही करें, ठीक तरह से करें, दिल लगा के करें, honestly करें.
और आपको जो feedback भी मिले वो honest हो.
मैं सोचता तो हर इंसान यही है कि वो एक honest feedback आपको मिले, मगर कभी मिलती है कभी नहीं मिलती है.
But that's why I think we value those people जिनसे आपको पता है कि when they'll say what they feel, they'll say it like it is. They won't sugarcoat it if it's not.
नहीं, sugar coating आपको वो तो आप, मैं काली कॉफी पीता हूँ मगर इसमें 2 चम्मच चीनी होती है. Everybody thinks of कितनी कौड़ी होगी ये काली कॉफी, and they don't realize कि कितनी मीठी है ये काली कॉफी. It's like जो भी मैंने ये रोल्स किए हैं, everybody thinks कि मैं बहुत एक सख्त इंसान हूँ. मैं बहुत डरावना इंसान हूँ. मैं बहुत that I'm a hard person. I'm not. I'm a funny person.
You're a funny person.
I'm a hilarious person. I'm a naughty boy. I'm not a good boy. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that's right.
So it's there's a misconception that's out there, and I don't know.
No, there isn't.
I hope not.
I haven't
I
heard
hope
this.
not. I mean, I
Maybe
hope not.
you got this from
Because
some...
वो videos में you see me I'm not in a talking role. I'm not communicating with my voice at ever. You know, you just see this image of somebody raising their eyebrows and somebody, like, so you just think कि ये बंदा ऐसे ही होगा. You know, so it's different जब आपकी कोई कभी ने आपकी किसी ने आवाज नहीं आपकी सुनी है. So
yeah, people have preconceived notions.
Yeah, of what a person is.
Their own perspective. हाँ, you are a rock star. What do you mean you would have been? You are a rock star. On that note, we need to take a break. और ये अब time हो गया है.
Yes.
किसका क्या होने का?
We're going to emulsify.
Emulsifier. Okay, we'll show you that process. But right now we're going to.
We won't be talking. We'll be working. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Okay, so while we're doing this, Tariq, I'm going to ask you some questions and get तेज जवाब देने हैं. I mean, not a rapid fire. It's not like one word answer, but short and concise. Okay.
Sure thing.
Okay. How much can makeup and hairstyling transform a person's personality? Rate it.
100%.
Ooh.
Absolutely.
Personality.
Yeah, because you know people already judge you from. So it's a way to show your individuality. It's a way to express your personality. Is the way you look.
What is the biggest difference or differences, अगर आपने 2-3 बताने हैं, between Pakistani and international hairstyling trends?
We are a bit tube light, you know.
Tube light.
वो ज़रा देर से पकड़ती है, if you know what I mean.
हम slow हैं अपने trends पकड़ने में.
Yes.
ठीक है. What is the one hairstyling tip that everyone should include in their daily routine?
Hairstyling tip.
Tip, yeah, something.
Don't overwash your hair. That's
love
one the big styling tip, because your hair, if you have the right haircut, it should take shape easily and well without.
Wash and blow dry.
Yeah.
तो मतलब आप क्या recommend करते हैं कि हफ्ते में
Twice a week is good.
So I'm following that tip already. Yay! What is the most challenging part of creating a complete bridal look?
Making sure that everybody else likes it.
Why? But everybody else should not like it.
Because it's hard. It's one of those things that you have to please the mother-in-law, the mother, the sisters, the husband. It's a tall order.
Wow.
It's a tall order.
अच्छा, लेकिन during the process, सबसे मुश्किल part bridal makeup और hair styling में कौन सा वाला होता है?
Just timing, I think. अगर time से बंदा पहुंचे तो सब कुछ set होता है. The minute somebody comes late and there's normally शादी के घर में there is हब्बड़ दब्बड़.
There is.
So you do get
flustered. Okay, what is your all-time favorite fashion trend? Ooh. Or maybe top 3 fashion trends?
I've never been one to follow a trend. There are things that I like and there are things that I don't like. Something that I feel that is classic and that's been around forever is I love a red lip.
I was just going to say that.
And I think that's
probably
something.
Love a red lip.
That's something that works for everybody, but not everybody uses it as a. It's like a very powerful tool for any woman.
But there are many shades of red also, ना हर किसी की skin
every
tone
woman,
पे हाँ.
every woman can find a true shade of red.
हमारी Asian skin tones के लिए कोई
blue reds, stronger reds, not so much the orange ones, not so much the pinky ones.
Really? Because the other day I was at a designer's place and she said कि हमारी skin tone के लिए orangey red ज़्यादा अच्छा है. So it's saying the opposite.
Because it's more of a warm thing, like orange is towards it's a mixture of orange and yellow. Yellow and red make orange. So
And what is the one thing you would absolutely dislike in someone's styling? कि अगर उन्होंने ये किया हुआ हो तो आपको बिल्कुल
you
पसंद
know the hairstyling with the back combing and the 200 pins right there. That's my
जो एक ज़माने में न्यूज़कास्टर्स की
हाँ,
वो
एक
वाली
look
हेयर
होती थी।
स्टाइलिंग हाँ
It's a very common style most
Yeah.
stewardesses do as well. People who go to work or
Yeah.
young girls who think that they're in long hairstyle.
Why don't you
make
like it?
Because it doesn't do anything for one's face.
It's not flattering.
To have this little puff,
Poo-poo.
you know, it's like Johnny Bravo
Yeah.
with no need hairstyle.
What has been the most dramatic celebrity transformation that you've done?
So many, there's so many.
But the most dramatic that
I
you
mean,
can
I guess
remember.
Benzi for her wedding, that was, you know, very dramatic and
Yeah.
very
Very,
huge.
yeah, ठीक है. कितने अच्छे लगे. I love it.
Yeah,
So bouncy, so fresh and healthy and
a little bit of movement. And Jhalla looks good too. This the velcros and that just again, you know, it gives an equal lift and finish to the hair without it feeling overstyled or
Yeah.
over.
Pakka
You know?
pakka.
No, it's all you've got the volume
Yeah.
and it doesn't feel like it's pulled down.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Feels on lifted. Thank you.
You're very welcome.
Oh wow. It has been such a pleasurable experience, Tariq, to be
Most
here.
it should, you know, going to the hairdresser should be a pleasurable
It
experience.
should be.
Yeah.
लेकिन वो कभी कभार नहीं होता क्योंकि खींचातानी होती है बहुत बालों में और I mean whatever, there are all kinds of experiences, but this has been fantastic और I'm so grateful and thank you so much.
My pleasure.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
And I'm going to
Always
come
a
now
pleasure.
to you when I want the drastic.
No, I'm gonna come and see you on set filming for one of your movies.
Why
whenever-
don't you be in one of the films?
Why don't you?
Oh
Sure.
my God. Tariq, very quickly, I would like you to give some advice to, you know, the younger generation. Any advice that you want.
You know, it's always a follow your dreams for sure, but you know, keep it simple and try to take one step at a time and keep your feet on the. I've been doing this for almost 45 years and my feet are still very firmly on the ground.
Yeah.
So just stay grounded. I mean, हर चीज का एक टाइम होती है, एक वक्त होता है. Don't be in a rush. Be persistent, और आप अपनी, you know, you will reach your destination.
What I noticed is also that you're still like when you're doing my hair, आपने खुद wash किया है, you've heat styled it yourself.
Because then I can feel what I'm doing.
Yeah.
I can feel, I know what I'm working, the material I have to work with.
Yeah.
So, you know, when I haven't, if it's a regular client and I know their hair, I don't do all that. But when you know, sometimes you have to get your hands dirty.
Get your hands dirty, no harm in that. Acha, what next? Future plans?
Future plans, I hope I can, you know, I can keep doing what I'm doing. And, you know, there's still, I think the best of me is yet to come.
Yeah, what would
Yeah.
that be? The dream project?
The dream project is, you know, I wanted to do it when it became 40 years, but it was COVID. So now next year, inshallah, which is going to be 45 years,
Wow.
we're going to do a 3-city show. So I'm working on that.
Three-city show.
I always do 3-city shows. It won't be the first time.
So 3 cities में आप एक show लेकर जाएंगे.
Yes.
And it'll be a hair show.
Probably. Yes.
Okay, so you're gonna have
A celebration. I don't know if I'm going to make it to the 50th one, but like let's say 45 for
Inshallah.
sure.
This year?
Because we skipped 40, you know, because of COVID and
2020.
stuff. Well, exactly. It would have been, you know. But then, like I said, हर चीज में अल्लाह कोई बेहतरी दिखाता
कोई
है.
बेहतरी होती है. So you were meant to do the 45.
Yeah.
Yeah, on a bigger
yeah,
level.
Yeah.
Can I be a part of it?
Of course.
Okay.
Of course.
When are you planning on doing it?
Let's see, probably winter next year.
Next year?
Next year.
अच्छा
We
भी
have
2
to-
साल बाद है.
It takes a lot of
to
planning.
produce
No,
that.
because every time we do one of these shows, we I do a massive talent hunt before. So that I'm planning to do this year, later on this year.
So what will it be like? Like a reality show?
No, I just do it on my own, quietly.
Secretly. Okay.
No, just quietly. I like to do things quietly.
And then come out with the...
No, just get them. I mean, in the last वाला हमने talent hunt किया था, उसमें से आज, about maybe 20% of the people that we found from the finalists are in the industry and doing really, really well. So it pays off and you feel good about it. I feel good about it.
Would you like to name somebody?
They all know who they are.
No, I want to know.
I'll tell you in secret. I'll WhatsApp you.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Tariq.
My pleasure. Always a pleasure.
I love it.
Enjoy your hair.
And
Enjoy
I will be
your hair.
enjoying it.
And I'm going to give you a WhatsApp with all the names of the products, especially for when you go to the beach.
Absolutely. Oh yes, because I go to the beach almost every Sunday. और अब मेरे आगे के shows में आप लोग देखेंगे कि ये बालों को हम किस तरह differently style करेंगे. Thank you.
You're welcome.
We'll see you next time. Khuda Hafiz.